Here we're doing another adventure today, starting from the River Tame in Stockport, going under Stockport town centre and eventually ended up in Sale. These 3 weirs we've got to do. We don't have to do, we can walk round them, but we'll see what they're like when we get there. And we're starting off at Reddish Vale in Stockport. Adam? Yeah. Okay. Ah! You know, it's low here, isn't it? It's better. Yeah, the water forms a V. That's where the strongest current is.
You comfy?
Yeah, very now.
Yeah.
It's like having my old kayak back.
That bag gonna fall out? No.
No.
Not too much weight on the back?
No.
Nothing ever. Right.
Did you hit the rock up there?
What?
Did you hit the big rock? I did. Is my red light on my camera? And above my head?
Hey, yours?
Yeah, oh, that's alright.
It's on. Batteries?
Yeah, I got 2.
Wonderful red world of adventure.
Yeah, we should set up a channel for you, just a kayaking one. Yeah, it's comfy that seat, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, tell you what, there really is a big one. 2 big ones. Okay, we've got to go over that one. What have we got? Well, you've got to watch the branches, haven't you?
Yeah. Trouble is, it's dead shallow here.
Yeah.
Really shallow. I didn't. No, I've got no coffee left at home. I thought we'll have a coffee when we get there. Get the coffee up.
Yeah, you can. Oh.
I'll go through them. Just head for the V, where it forms a V shape. Right in the middle here. Okay, there's a rock there. Oh, another rock. Fucking hell. You alright?
Yeah.
It doesn't go in a straight line without the fins on, does it?
No.
Very shallow, isn't it? That's what I forgot, my sunglasses. Just try and lift your bum up if you feel a rock. Oh, another rock. Fucking hell. I thought it'd be deeper than this. Can't see a tap. There's a guy fishing here. Sorry, mate. What score was it? Because
At the moment,
Pakistan.
91 for 4.
How many overs left? Is it raining there yet?
No. 5.5 overs left.
Bloody hell. 139 to beat, innit? 138. Yeah? Fucking hell, boat. What's the drop, Ant? Yeah. So shallow here. Woo! Fucking hell. I know. Yeah? Yeah.
Probably just getting in the mood.
The thing I like about rivers is you don't get people walking along the side like canals. You've got it like to yourself, basically. Ooh. We've got some white water approaching.
Right, are we?
Yeah. Pardon?
That is wide. He's poising himself.
This is a big rock here, Ant. Woo! Fucking hell. Woo! Oh my god, what's the drop? Ah! Whoa! Here's where it meets the Goit in a minute. I didn't see that on the videos. Shall I phone Jordan now then? Shall I phone Jordan now, because we're right near where we need to be, aren't we? There's a weir here coming from the Goit. Is that what you meant? Yeah, we missed that out. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, that's close.
I couldn't go over that.
We've got to go on one like that.
Oh, I can't go over that.
But we're going to go up the side. I'm just going to ring Jordan. So it'll take you 10 minutes to walk there. Yeah. Right, I'll ring Jordan now. How long do you reckon it'll take us to get there? I think it's just here, isn't it? We're getting under... Yeah, so we're going under Stockport Town Centre now. That's the viewpoint at the top, where they opened it up to people to look at. Right, where that one? Let me turn round. Yeah.
Backyard's off now. Don't throw it.
You'll have to tighten that when it's on your head. Too bright. You know what, I'll just carry it like this. We don't need to do out.
So I'll just carry it. I don't.
For all the architecture. And originally this was built in the 1930s. It was a road, you know. And then in 1960, they built the precinct on top of it. Interesting fact.
It really is something.
It's a generator, that.
It's quite concerning.
So Carl must have walked along there, exploring with Carl. Along the side. That's in Brinksway. So we come out of here, we got a weir, which you're not looking forward to, are you, Em?
Oh
I bet it's really quite low this today. You can see the bottom of the floor. And we've hit a lot of rocks coming up here. It's really shallow. But we had to do it today because it was the best day of November for weather-wise. What are you looking for, Anne? Do you reckon it's ever got to that level?
Where?
Here.
Oh shit. It's round.
We're not?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Yeah, it's a bit. Yeah. Is it that bag up? It's about to get a lot darker. Is that bag alright? And zips up?
Yeah.
Just letting the current take us at the moment. Here is like generators. Hey, it's lit up here as well, Anne. It's lit up down there. Turn it around a bit. There's a load of people shopping above us. This is the part most people never get to do. I think they got out round here. There's some steps up here, isn't there? It's deep here. No, this tunnel goes on for ages. It gets pitch black soon. Unless we've done it. No, we can't have. And we got a bit of daylight. Oh, that's it. That's it. It was shorter than I expected. I expected it to be longer, this tunnel. We've got a weir coming up what Ant's not looking forward to. And that's we'll be up near Stockport bus station soon. There's this drop in a minute, you've got to go right. You've got to go right in a minute here. Let me just see if it's the one. It's only a small waterfall. No, a few coming up. No. Oh no, it's nothing this bit. Yeah, I'm quite comfy. Doesn't matter on this one. There's a bus. Wave to the people on the bus. Big drop here, Am. Ah! Bet they think, look at them.
I've never seen Stockport from here before. Not even on video.
Oops, sorry.
Which is that?
It's a train station there, isn't it?
Yeah.
As you saying, it'll take all day to get to Sale. I don't think at this pace it will. I'd say 2 hours. They get the rope ready for you. There's a weir coming up in a minute. I'm going to tie it to this bag. So if you fall out, I mean, you're not going to fall out anyway. You might get stuck in the backdraft and go upside down like a washing machine. Trapped. Stockport train station. Yeah. Just getting all my safety stuff ready. At the moment. Regent House. It's really amazing to see Stockport this way.
Right, we've got these lights here.
What?
Got lights.
What for? Oh, just put me in my boat.
Your water in yours disappears, doesn't it, underneath?
Yeah. There's not much water in it. Is there a lot of water in yours? Just off your oar?
Yeah. Yeah, right, we're going.
Yeah,
oh, something big's coming, I know it. We're safe.
Yeah, you don't have to do anything you wouldn't want to do. That's for...
He's looking like Jackie looks a max. Yeah, just three.
This one's really comfy because it's got a high back. It's brilliant.
Doesn't want to come with it.
I didn't get one with it. I bought that off Amazon. That's just a buoyancy vest. That'll just keep you afloat. It'll be very hard to swim in it. There's a sharp object there. Like a branch. Yeah. Yeah.
Have you been in the back of CANOE yet?
Yeah.
Have you seen these Zerons?
No?
No, you've got a unit full of Zerons.
Was it?
And rockets.
You know. Oh, I've seen the motorbikes. Not seen the electric bikes. Lean back in it going over the weir, aren't? Lean.
Why this it?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna turn around first.
We'll weigh it up.
Ah! Whew. Let me back the way, Ant. Whoa! That way! Yeah. Stop right there now, yeah. Keep straight on. Keep. Go on then. Stop. Fine, yeah. Yeah, fine. Paddle at the bottom. Yes. Yeah. Nice one.
I did it. You haven't.
I have. That was a lot of fluffing about, wasn't it? What?
It's muddy, isn't it? It's all under my seat.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is that the one you were dreading, the Brinksway one? It says don't do it on the medium flow. I won't go right. Looks dead shallow. That river coming down Mount Snowdon looks good, Langolan thing. The rapids are awesome. When we get a bit of experience, we'll have to go. Can that just stuck in the middle of nowhere?
That used to be a bridge.
Ah, right.
It's to there, I don't know. Train track.
Yeah, possibly. Oh. I thought I heard someone there let on to us. I do call that. Been there for some time, that. It's dry, innit? Probably got a load of mould in it.
Yeah, that's probably
Aren't they from like Lidl or somewhere, them ones?
yeah, look like a shark.
Where's the oar? Where's the oar for it?
Behind it underneath.
Who'd dump it there though? Why is it just dumped? It's a two-manner. About as big as yours. At least we know where it is.
Yeah, we do. And that other one. What is that other one?
It's like a big dinghy, innit?
Huh? Well, can't tell you.
It's like the next one to that what you're on, but it's only a one-manner. I told him it'll be too small. It could be. Told him to look on Marketplace like now.
Yeah. Well,
Amazing what you see in it.
yeah.
And what the story is. Obviously he didn't like fall in the river. We need to do practice submersions one day. Yeah, just fall out.
Yeah. Special place.
Practice getting back in our boats. Mine and yours will be easy to get into.
I think it's near. Pumps the water around this track.
Hmm.
Around the slalom.
Yeah, I see something like that on YouTube. Head for the V's, Amp.
Big drop under here though, isn't there? Yeah. Oh!
He's stuck. Ah! Head for the V's here.
I'll just stay here.
It's deep there. It's deep there. And stuck. Yeah, if you're wondering, we're both called Ant as well. Not to be confused with thinking that he's Ant the man. I knew I should have brought my sunglasses. The big rock there, fucking hell. Next stop will be Northenden. From Northenden it gets a bit exciting, the river, doesn't it? Up to Sale.
Some part, yeah.
Bit of grade 2. Look at that house, Ant. Jeez. A splish splosh. Yeah, yeah. I'll just get over these little rapids and I'll pause it till we get there. I'll probably have to film you coming down after me.
I have to come with you.
No, you wait.
Oh, you might be able to I should have gone left.
Woohoo! Loving it. There's a bit of a drop there, weren't there? Afternoon. Bet the dog's thinking, look at them idiots. So we're coming up to Northenden Weir around this corner.
feeling back in my legs.
Yeah. Caught anything?
Seen any fish?
Nah.
Hard to see it.
Supposed to be salmon in here, isn't there? Hi. Is there any branches down there? Any twigs? That way, left. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Paddle like fucking. Paddle. 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 Yeah, yeah, yeah. What happened?
It's got to be that.